Hi, welcome to the scene of LED China exhibition. Do you feel familiar with me? Yes, I am your old friend Jenny. Today I'll show you our meeting room LED display solutions. MeetUS. Okay, go and have a look. Since 2019, the LED display have gradually entered the conference room. Actually, in our ordinary use, we met a lot of problems. The viewers hope to have a better display effect, and operators want easy control and wireless connectivity. So for this kind of application scenario, Novastar developed the MeetUS meeting room LED display solutions with the products Me200H and Me400H covering Full HD and 4K resolution. Okay, let's see it. Here we can see this is the Me200 and this one the Me400. Okay, so from the outside we can see the MeetUS has a lightweight design allowing for the flexible installation. You can operate it just after the system boot. Equipped with Novastar A8S and A10S Plus receiving card based on Novastar's unique LED image booster technology, the image will be more realistic and smooth. And at the same time, MeetUS will filter blue light, protecting our eyes when watching the screen for long periods of time. Any other features? Of course, MeetUS support wireless projection from the multi-terminals like the computers, mobile phones, and the tablets, and different platforms of Windows, iOS, and Android. And also, it supports wireless writing and annotation, or use the tablets to control the screen. For the wireless screenshots, just one click, wonderful content will not be missed. So MeetUS focus on the display and the control, make your meetings easier. This is MeetUS. This is Novastar. Experience the best. See you.